Welcome back to the HealthTech Explorers channel. Today, we're diving into a tough but important topic, the wave of mass layoffs hitting the biopharma and clinical research industries in 2025, and how AI is connected to all this. We'll look at the numbers, the scope, and what this means for professionals in the field. The clinical research industry is currently going through a real storm. Massive layoffs are hitting pharmaceutical companies and major CROs across the globe, and the trend is only accelerating. According to official statistics, in just the first half of 2025, there were 130 rounds of layoffs in biopharma, with 13,470 people losing their jobs, a 31% increase compared to last year. Major CROs such as IQVIA, Parexel, and Syneos Health have also carried out large-scale global workforce reductions. Scope and statistics of layoffs. In the first 6 months of 2025 alone, Biopharma experienced 128 rounds of layoffs, a 32% spike compared to the same period in 2024, when there were 97 such events. From January to June 2025, 13,470 specialists were laid off across 130 companies, whereas last year the number was 10,007. It's not just biotech startups being hit. Global giants are cutting staff as well. Bristol Myers Squibb laid off over 860 employees in just 6 months, while Merck and Novartis cut hundreds of jobs through lab closures and restructuring. The largest CROs as Syneos, Parexel, IQVIA are reducing staff worldwide, including in Russia, the US, Europe, and Middle East. Employees report that the traditional global CRO model is experiencing a crisis. Main reasons: declining investments, rising research costs, strategy overhauls, and the introduction of new technologies requiring fewer personnel. Why layoffs are happening and what's next? The main reasons behind the cuts include the financial downturn, reduced funding, cost optimization, shutdown of key programs, and the shift toward more automated processes. The clinical research industry is changing. Artificial intelligence, automation, and big data analytics are being implemented at a rapid pace. These technologies make research faster, cheaper, and simpler, but they also mean fewer people are needed. Even experienced specialists are feeling uncertainty and the need to rethink their career paths. AI simulation, a new frontier. One of the most striking examples is the QuantHealth platform. Using artificial intelligence, it has already simulated over 350 clinical trials, reaching up to 90% accuracy and saving pharma companies tens of millions of dollars and years of time. In 2025 alone, QuantHealth helped one top 10 pharmaceutical giant cut Phase 2 enrollment time by 15 months and save $31.4 million on a single trial. Such technologies accelerate planning, patient recruitment, and risk analysis, enabling highly accurate virtual runs of clinical trials. This is the future of the clinical research industry. Career paths after layoffs. Amid mass layoffs, it is becoming critical for professionals to reskill and upskill, focusing on technical skills such as programming, artificial intelligence, biostatistics, and biomedical data management. Careers in clinical research, in my view, should shift away from traditional roles, as CRA, project manager, medical writer, toward more tech-oriented areas, data science, AI development, and big data analytics. Even I, with over 8 years of experience in clinical research, am now building my career path toward AI in healthcare, biostatistics, and clinical trial simulations. Fields that require strong skills in data analysis, platform integration, and algorithm development. Leading companies such as QuantHealth, Deep Clinical, and BioAI are already actively hiring specialists in AI simulations, modeling, and big data analytics. The clinical research industry is undergoing massive transformation. Layoffs are inevitable, and the future belongs to those ready to acquire new technical competencies. Key skills for the next stage of a career: understanding AI tools, biostatistics, modeling, and data analytics. These specialists will be in highest demand in the coming years. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time.